Hi, my name is Cesar Tondini. I'm CEO, founder, and board advisor of a few companies that we have been working in the last couple of years with international traders.
Hi everyone, my name is Amber Briggs and I'm a customer success manager for Coursera on the Coursera for Business side.
Hi, I'm Jae Jin. I come from Honeywell. I'm the engineering director and fellow engineer.
Hey there everyone, my name is Fidel Guzman, manager of internal training at Ion Group and founder of Hero Consulting Group.
Hey everybody, my name is Omid Adam Sindhi, and today I talked about this idea about build now and ask for forgiveness later.
Hi, my name is Yun Dong, and I am now an assistant teaching professor from IIT in both the Department of ITM and also CS.
And today I was at NETT Day to talk about exactly AI. How can we use AI to shape business for the future, but also what exactly singularity AI means for the business and how can we use to improve and bring more benefits for companies using the AI and merge this concept for the companies.
Today we talked about how you can go in and look at 90 different professional certificates and look and continue to upskill and reskill yourself and make yourself more competitive in the market.
Today I introduce about the innovation and then how to link to the technology to the business result. But it's a key message is we have to focus on the customer and then understand the customer need and then provide the right solution. So I shared our experience to students.
Today's talk was Chaos to Completion, Project Management Essentials. Today's talk focused on collaboration frameworks, making sure that you understand the people that you're going to be working with on projects and making the best use out of their expertise and their strengths as well as their weaknesses, as well as best practices, keeping momentum, being adaptive, and also the technology that you're going to be able to use, such as Jira, Confluence, and Salesforce to be able to keep track of different data points.
So today here I bring my talk about design thinking involved in the opportunities and also the challenges that generative AI can bring to the design field and HCI field.
And today we talked about this idea of actually building something. So a lot of you may go home and think about this idea of why should I try to build something that I can't have any developing skills? So you don't have to be a software developer to build great ideas. All you need is to make sure that you have the willpower to do it.
Don't be afraid about the AI. AI is going to help, and not just in the day-to-day as a person, but also in the business. But because as we move forward with the technology and use the AI in the business, shaping new different ways to work with AI in the companies, we also bring more new positions, which wasn't expected in the days before. That happened in the last 50 years and is still happening as we have new technology coming up.
So my advice to you is to log into Coursera, check out all of the amazing professional certificates that will continue to help aid you and advance in your career.
So the business itself is art. It's that some people say the customer is important, some people say the technology is important, but we should find the balanced point and then it's focusing the customer need and then deliver the right solution. That is a bit important.
We know that some of the generative AI tools are occurring to the market today, but please don't be panicked about it. You need to learn how you can switch your role and from the problem solver to the critical evaluator and how you can use those tools to give you more time and make your work more efficient and how you can make yourself more competitive in the market.
So the one piece of advice that I'll tell you to do once you get home is to take this concept of building something from nothing. You don't have to have a perfect idea to build something great. You can think about something that you think about on your day-to-day, something that bothers you, or any sort of process improvements. So it can be any idea from helping you wake up in the morning, like setting an alarm, or something granular, like developing applications for the masses.
My advice to students is to make the best use out of your NEIU community. This is truly a global marketplace. So make sure that you increase your level of cultural awareness and that you understand where you lie in the global marketplace.